What's really good, LeSBP Trading Familiar? Buenos dias, bonjour, bon dia, salvona, guten Abend, konbanwa, masakea, aftav. I think that was it. Thank you all for tuning in. Man, your boy is slightly frustrated, and it's not because of trading, honestly, this time. So, um, first things first, if you watch my videos, you can watch them on times two. I really talk relatively slow. I say the same things because I'm repetitive over and over again. It's not on purpose. It's a train of thought. To be honest, I'm trying to just get my thoughts out, and sometimes it helps me to repeat myself. And I think also like hearing myself talk. So you know, put it on times two. It goes a lot faster. These videos can go from 10 minutes to 5 minutes. All right. First things first, I'm going to show you the trades before I start bitching and complaining. All right. We'll go one and then to the other. Okay. Let's start off with the trades that we have taken. S&P 500. Yes, the leap challenge. All right. Cool. Everything open. So 10 days, 5 hours, 59 minutes. The leap, $25,000 in cash prizes and 6 additional months for your current subscription. The paper trading competition is back and we're shaking things up. This contest, the top 50 traders will compete for a share of $25,000 and 200 more traders will get 6 month extensions for their current plans. Leaderboard, we are currently in 44,952 52nd place with a realized profit or negative profit of 50 negative loss, I guess, with $54.54 negative. Currently, here are our top 10, 17,000 some odd being the highest, and 15,000 being the lowest. Man, they are going. Um, but yeah, that this is not currently where we're at though. I'm about to show you our balance because we're not doing too hot. So today we are in an S&P trade. We went into a buy. If you remember me talking about this instrument, I was talking about the fact that the market could possibly come back up to this area, knock us out at stop loss, which was at the time it was our full stop loss. I ended up moving the stop loss because I got out of the trade, then I got back in. But like an idiot, I should have just stayed out of the trade. I really should have. I should have just stayed out of the trade. I don't know. Well, I guess it's FOMO in a sense. I got FOMO, decided to get back into the trade, then we got out of the trade, and now we're in a buy position. The word here I said was I think regret because of the simple fact that I just knew I shouldn't be in this position. I got in this position early this morning, roughly around 7 o'clock. So on this candle, it went down and then literally got to this area and exploded, like exploded back up. So didn't really help us that I was talking about, the way that I shouldn't have been in that trade yesterday and support resistance areas and all that other stuff that in my head I said, you know what, this is the reason why I didn't want to get into a quote unquote counter trend trade. Because one is not my style. Two, I don't trade those things, so I don't really have to me, I don't really have a good strategy for it. But three, it just didn't feel comfortable. There were a lot of things stacking up against this trade. So we ended up in the buy trade later on in the day. And this is where we're going to stay. This is what we're going to stick with. If we lose $625.60 will be the stop loss for right now. I usually don't take full stops. Oil is the only one that literally has full stop me out almost every single time. But other than that, I usually take like half a stop or even a quarter stop, depending on what the market is showing me. BTC, man, I really think we're going to lose this trade overnight. I think we're going to lose this trade tonight. It's been really flip floppy. We wanted to take a nice sell trade here. We got out of break even. That was the other day. And then I'm taking a buy trade because, trying to stay with the trend of the market. So I'm really flip flopping on this one. I think I should have stayed out of this trade too as well because I was just really unsure about the trade. And I know that gut feeling doesn't play a really good role in trading. You really need to be as mechanical as possible and take whatever trades you get depending on your strategy. But sometimes there are those times where you really need to listen to yourself and say, you know what? I don't feel good about it. Let me not take this. Or it could be the other way around. I feel great about this trade. It might not meet every single, 10 steps of my criteria, but it meets 7 out of 10, and I feel really good about this trade. Maybe I should take it. I'm not saying you should go off of gut feelings because all the time, of course, because you're definitely just gonna lose all your fucking money because it'd be just like betting or something. You'll be gambling basically. But there are certain scenarios where I feel like sometimes that gut feeling is good, and it could be for you getting out of a trade, staying in a trade, not taking a trade, or jumping in a trade. Sometimes I feel like the one with jumping in a trade though is very less than any of the other ones. Like you're probably only gonna win 5% of the ones that you feel really good about. So don't take the advice on that part when, I don't want you just jumping into random ass trades and being like, man, I felt great about that one. Nah, bro. Ethereum, we didn't take any trades. Gold, sad about this one because it is floating beautifully. Remember yesterday I was talking about taking it here at TP. We ended up taking that 1-to-1 though, and I'm quite sad about it. Not gonna lie. At the same time, I'm happy because we took TP. We did. We took our profit. We got in. We got out. I'm happy about that part, but at the same time, I was aiming for a specific area, and it hit that area, and we were right. So, not regretting the fact that we got out because we got money out of it. But and don't forget this is paper trading money. But at the same time, I just feel like, well, this is what we're aiming for. Why not? Why didn't we go for it? Basically just got scared. Um, Silver, same shit. We just got scared. We didn't take it at the full potential of the TP where we were looking to take it at. We ended up taking it early. So this one we took early before even TP 1-to-1, and then gold we took at 1-to-1 and stopped aiming for the area we were going for. Not horrible. Once again, silver also hit the TP that we were aiming for. So not horrible. We got money out of it, but at the same time, I just feel kind of like shit because I was aiming for a specific area, which was up here. Actually, it was right in between here. So a little bit above this, but it still would have hit that. Like I was aiming for pretty much right here. And it still would have hit that. So yeah, feel kind of sad about it, not gonna lie. Euro USD. This one very interesting. I didn't take a trade on this one. We are broke even, but I just wanted to come back to this to show you that, man, it would be out of drawdown and in profit right now. Sad. And then last but not least, oil. Oil. I don't even know. I'm too scared to take another trade on this. I'm not gonna lie. We've lost almost every single trade. I think I've won. Nope, I'd be lying. I don't think I've won any oil trades. Now that I think about it, I don't think I've won not one oil trade. And at least out of like 5 that I've taken, 3 of them have went full stop loss. So yeah, not happy about oil. Not gonna take that. The thing that I was complaining about is my AMP account. I can't actually log into it. Kind of pissed about it. I can kind of put myself on screen here, but kind of pissed about it. I have money in the account. It's $94.52 in the account right now. But it says I was locked out manually. I have no fucking clue what that means. Um, the only reason why I could think that it would be locked out is because I hadn't used it. But it's not like I hadn't used it in like 2-3 months. I just hadn't used it for like 2 weeks. Like my last trade on this was, can I even see that? Live trading credentials, treasury. I'm about to put in a closed account request though. I can tell you that for real. Like I've never had so much trouble with an account in my life. All right, so the last statement I received was on the 30th of. Okay, I'm sorry. The last statement that I received was on the 30th of October. And so I don't hopefully share my address with y'all mofos. I'm going to bring it up really quickly. As long as I can. Y'all probably not gonna be able to see this anyway because it's so freaking small. I don't know why it's so small. But either way, let's see what we got. So right here is the last time that anything was basically shown on the account or whatever. You've got 30 October. You've got the I don't know if that's the account number. I don't know what number that is, to be honest with you. That might be the account number. You've got the price at which oh no, that's the trade. Sorry, that's the trade number for MES futures. You've got the actual value of that trade, and you've got the purchase and sale, or I guess the exit of the trade. You've got the amount of realized profit or balance and whatnot. We didn't make anything. And then I think we end up paying commission on that. And literally, now it's just to the point where I can't even log into the account. We have $94 still on this account. I can't even get into the bitch. My idea and the reason why I ended up even just going back to the account for a second was because I wanted to see how much was left, and I was contemplating taking that money out But now I'm not contemplating anymore. I have some old videos that I really should be releasing. I think I'm gonna go ahead and release those because it was kind of my reintroduction to trading. But now I'm kind of going once again forward to go backwards if I do that. So in my head, I'm just like, whatever. But we're at 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. Another reason why I just don't like this company. AMP Future sucks ass. I'm not gonna lie. I have never had this much trouble, excuse me, with trying to give somebody my fucking money for one. Like it took almost 2 weeks to get my shit straight. Like just to give them money to fund the account. Getting everything settled with all the paperwork and stuff like that took a week in itself. Their chat, they never ever fucking answered their chat, and I'm so sorry, I don't like cursing, but they never ever answer their damn chat. Like it is pissing me. I know, excuse me, I was lying to y'all. It's not that I don't like cursing; it's I don't like cursing on video. So I know my parents and my aunties and cousins and stuff watch this shit, but that's how bad it pisses me off because they never answer their chat, like ever. Um, I've contacted them 4 times and I've only gotten answered once, and that was after waiting like 2 hours, so I almost missed the chat when they finally came back. Um, I don't know if it's 24/7. It's available. It doesn't say hey, this is out of time or you're out of the service time or we're not here right now. So I've been trying to contact them. It says what's your name? Put my name. What's your email? Put my email. Boom. Waited at 8:53. Now it is 9:10 and they redid what they sent me at the beginning of this saying quick video getting started treasury balances. That has nothing to do with what I need right now. But either way, once again, I like to complain. I apologize, y'all. Have a good day. Have a good night. I'll tell y'all what happens tomorrow. Peace.